Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the channel. If you want to curve an image in Canva, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, there's no direct way of doing it, but if you follow these steps, you'll be able to achieve the results you need. Let's get into it. So I have a design open here and I have an image. So what we're going to do is on Canva, you cannot actually directly curve this image. What we're going to do is go over to the left-hand side on our menu, look for elements, and we're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down until we find frames. Now, frames are an amazing way to actually curve and reshape the image of your choice. So we're going to go ahead and tap on see all, and from here you can see anything from basic shapes, film and photo devices, papers and flowers. What we can do at the top is type in curve. Once you've typed in curve, you can see that there are a bunch of very awesome, weird and wonderful frames. You can go ahead and click down on the frame and drag it onto your canvas. Once you've done so, you can go ahead, select your image and drag your image into the frame. You can see now that the image will appear inside the frame. Of course, from here you can go ahead and you can select your frame and you can resize the frame. You can play around with the different frames that are available so that your needs have been met. If this was helpful, go ahead, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace out.